Time. We feel its relentless march. We measure it with clocks and calendars. But what is time, really? Is it a river flowing, an arrow flying, or a symphony with multiple movements? The answer, like time itself, is complex and multifaceted. Scientists and philosophers have explored various temporal models to understand time's nature. These models are like lenses, each offering a unique perspective on how time shapes our universe and our lives. Some models see time as a straight line, others as a circle, and still others as a branching tree of possibilities. Exploring these models does more than satisfy intellectual curiosity. Understanding different temporal models can illuminate our spiritual journeys. They offer insights into our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Think of it as gaining a richer appreciation for the symphony, not just hearing the melody. Just as music has rhythm, harmony, and counterpoint, time has its own intricate structure. By exploring these structures, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. This is the time most of us know. It's the time of calendars and clocks. It marches relentlessly forward from past to present to future. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is uncertain. We live in the now, constantly moving forward. Linear time underpins our sense of history and progress. It's the time of cause and effect. Actions have consequences, rippling through time like waves. This model fuels our ambition to build a better future, learning from the past. However, linear time can also feel limiting. It emphasizes the finite nature of life. Every tick of the clock brings us closer to the end. This awareness can inspire us to make the most of our time, but it can also lead to anxiety. Linear time is a powerful model. It explains much about our physical world and how we experience it, but it's not the only way to understand time. Let's explore other perspectives. Imagine time as a wheel, constantly turning. What goes around comes around, right? That's the essence of circular time. It's a model embraced by many ancient cultures. Think of the cycles of day and night, the seasons, the rise and fall of civilizations. Circular time suggests that events repeat themselves. History isn't a straight line but a recurring loop. This perspective brings a certain comfort. There's a rhythm to existence, a sense of continuity. Nothing is truly lost, everything returns. This model also challenges our notions of progress. If everything repeats, is there truly advancement? Perhaps progress is not linear but cyclical, like a spiral staircase that ascends while revisiting similar themes. Circular time encourages us to see the interconnectedness of all things. It reminds us that we are part of a larger dance, a cosmic rhythm that has been playing for eons. If linear time is a straight road and circular time a spinning wheel, then spiral time is a winding staircase. It combines the forward movement of linear time with the recurring patterns of circular time. Spiral time acknowledges the cyclical nature of many things, but it also suggests an upward trajectory. We revisit similar themes, but each time at a higher level. Think of personal growth. We face similar challenges throughout life, but we hopefully learn and evolve with each cycle. This model resonates with many spiritual traditions. The journey of the soul is often seen as a spiral, a process of reincarnation and growth over many lifetimes. Each cycle builds upon the last, leading to greater understanding and wisdom. Spiral time offers a hopeful perspective. It suggests that life is not just a repetitive loop, but a journey of growth and evolution. We are constantly moving forward, even as we revisit familiar themes. Imagine time not as a single road but as a vast network of paths. At each moment we face choices that lead to different outcomes, creating branches in the timeline. This is the core idea behind branching time. This model is popular in science fiction with its parallel universes and alternate realities. But it also reflects our everyday experience. Every decision we make closes off some possibilities and opens up others. The path not taken always lingers in our thoughts. Branching time suggests that the future is not fixed but fluid. We are constantly creating the future through our choices. This perspective can be empowering, reminding us that we have agency in shaping our destinies. Branching time invites us to consider the vast landscape of possibilities. It reminds us that the future is not predetermined but a tapestry woven from our choices. Hold on tight, we're diving into the quantum realm. Interval time suggests that time is not a smooth flow but a series of discrete jumps. Think of it like frames in a movie. Each frame is a distinct moment with gaps in between. This model aligns with quantum physics, where events occur in quantized units. Energy, light, and even time itself come in discrete packets. This challenges our intuitive sense of time as a continuous flow, but it's supported by scientific evidence. Interval time suggests that our perception of time as smooth and continuous is an illusion. Reality is more like a strobe light, flashing moments of existence separated by gaps. This perspective can be disorienting, but it opens up fascinating possibilities. Interval time reminds us that reality is often stranger than we imagine. It suggests that our experience of time is just one way of perceiving a deeper, more complex reality. Like interval time, imagine a digital image made up of countless tiny pixels. Each pixel is distinct, separate from its neighbors. Now apply that concept to time. That's the idea behind discrete time. It suggests that time is not infinitely divisible but composed of fundamental units like pixels of time. This model challenges our intuitive sense of time as a smooth continuum. Just as a digital image looks continuous from a distance but is actually granular up close, time itself might have a fundamental graininess that we don't perceive. Discrete time has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It suggests that there might be a smallest unit of time, a chronon, beyond which time cannot be divided. This has implications for cosmology and our understanding of the Big Bang. Discrete time challenges us to question our assumptions about the nature of reality. It suggests that the seemingly smooth flow of time might be an illusion, a product of our limited perception. Continuous time, the flow of existence. This is the time we intuitively feel. It's the time of sunsets and flowing rivers, a smooth and unbroken continuum. Continuous time suggests that time can be divided infinitely, with no smallest unit. This model aligns with classical physics where time is treated as a continuous variable. It's the time of calculus, where we can calculate rates of change over infinitesimal intervals. It underpins our understanding of motion, gravity, and the laws of physics. Continuous time offers a sense of fluidity and interconnectedness. It suggests that past, present, and future are not separate compartments, but part of a single, flowing stream of existence. This perspective can be comforting, reminding us that we are part of a larger, unified whole. Continuous time is a powerful model that explains much about our physical world, but it's not the only way to understand time. Relational time. Your time is my time. Time is relative, as Einstein famously taught us. This isn't just a scientific concept, it's also a profound philosophical idea. Relational time suggests that time is not an absolute, but a relationship between events. Think about it. We measure time by comparing events. The Earth's rotation defines a day. The swing of a pendulum marks seconds. Time is not an independent entity, but a measure of change and relationship. Relational time emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things. Our experience of time is shaped by our relationships with others and the world around us. This perspective can be humbling, reminding us that our individual timelines are woven into a larger tapestry of time. Relational time challenges us to see time not as an abstract force, but as a reflection of relationships and interactions. It reminds us that our experience of time is unique and personal, shaped by our place in the web of relationships. Hierarchical time layers of reality. Imagine time as a series of nested boxes, each operating at a different pace. This is the essence of hierarchical time. It suggests that different levels of reality experience time differently. Think about it. Atomic processes occur at incredibly fast timescales, while geological changes unfold over millions of years. Our human experience of time falls somewhere in between. This model suggests that time is not uniform, but layered and complex. Hierarchical time has implications for our understanding of consciousness and spirituality. Some spiritual traditions suggest that higher realms of existence experience time differently, perhaps even transcending time altogether. This perspective can be mind-bending, but it opens up fascinating possibilities. Hierarchical time challenges us to expand our perspective beyond our limited human experience of time. It suggests that the universe is a multi-layered reality, with different levels operating at different temporal rhythms. Hybrid time, the best of all worlds. Who says we have to choose just one model? Hybrid time embraces the complexity of time by combining elements of different models. It recognizes that time might be linear in some aspects, cyclical in others, and even relational or hierarchical depending on the context. This approach acknowledges the limitations of any single model. It embraces the paradoxical nature of time, recognizing that it can be both continuous and discrete, absolute and relative, linear and cyclical. This perspective can be challenging but also liberating. Hybrid time invites us to see time as a multifaceted phenomenon, a tapestry woven from different strands. It encourages us to embrace the mystery and complexity of time, recognizing that our understanding will always be incomplete. Hybrid time reminds us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that we are only beginning to explore. Our journey through time is an ongoing adventure, full of surprises and new perspectives. Time's tapestry. Time, that elusive and enigmatic force, shapes our universe and our lives in profound ways. By exploring different temporal models, we gain a richer understanding of this fundamental aspect of reality. Each model offers a unique lens through which to view time's intricate tapestry. Linear time reminds us of our mortality and the importance of making the most of our time. Circular time emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things and the cyclical nature of existence. Spiral time offers a hopeful perspective of growth and evolution over time. Branching time invites us to consider the vast landscape of possibilities and the power of our choices. Interval and discrete time challenge our intuitive sense of time as a smooth flow, revealing the granular nature of reality. Continuous time offers a sense of fluidity and interconnectedness. Relational time emphasizes the subjective nature of time and its dependence on relationships and interactions. Hierarchical time suggests that different levels of reality experience time differently, opening up new perspectives on consciousness and spirituality. Ultimately, hybrid time reminds us that no single model can fully capture the complexity of time. Time is a multifaceted phenomenon, a tapestry woven from different strands of linearity, circularity, relativity, and hierarchy. By embracing the diversity of temporal models, we enrich our understanding of the human condition and our place in the cosmos. We come to appreciate the intricate dance between science and spirituality, recognizing that both are essential for unraveling the mysteries of time. Our journey through time is an ongoing exploration, full of wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities. As we continue to explore the symphony of time, we gain a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of the universe we inhabit. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through time.